Hi, I'm Marshall Peter. I believe that everyone in life deserves to have a better quality of life, whatever that quality of life is for you. Whether it's better success or greater results in your personal life, in your business life, financially, physically, mentally, spiritually, whichever it is for you. I truly believe that each and every one of us deserves a better quality of life. My story started about 24, 25 years ago when I came here to Australia with $2,300. And today I'm fortunate enough to tell you that I run a billion-dollar company and I'm living a lifestyle that I've always wanted to live. You know, I- I'm saying that not to impress you, but impress upon you that even a person like me who is uneducated, no formal education whatsoever, only the education through the work of life or education through life, have I created and been able to manifest this in my life. Now, I believe if I can do it, you can do it. What I want to share with you is how you can take the technology that I've developed and put together over the last 20 odd years and make something different for yourself. Whatever that goal, whatever that aim, whatever that the lifestyle, or whatever it is that you really want and you deserve to have, you can have it. You don't have to live a life with those excuses anymore that this was for someone else, someone more educated, someone taller, someone shorter, whatever that excuse may be. You don't have to have that excuse anymore, because using the right technology and using the right psychology, you can actually achieve what you really want. And it's not that hard. I believe that success is actually easier to achieve than failure. Failure is painful. Success is so much easier to achieve. Now, and I'm not saying that the journey through life is a smooth, it just goes up and up and up and up just because you set a goal and you get there. No, life throws a lot of challenges at you. Less than 8 years ago, I lost $390 million due to the GFC, and I've had to recover from that. The only way you can recover from something like that is to have the right psychology behind you. Once you focus on that and you understand how the mind works and how the brain works, the world's an oyster. You can absolutely achieve anything you really want. Now, I used to look at luxury houses and people in luxury cars, and I used to ask the question, what do they know that I don't? What have they studied that I haven't as yet? What experiences have they gone through in life that I haven't put myself through as yet? And the more and more I asked these questions and the more I focused on it and I got passionate about it and got driven by it, the deeper I really researched into how our brain works and how do some people achieve an extraordinary life and other people don't. How does one tennis player go on to win consecutive Wimbledon titles, whereas the others in similar physical capabilities does not quite get there? How is it that an uneducated person like myself can achieve the quality of life that I have, and then you look at some people who have got masters and PhDs still struggle to get there? And I'm not comparing myself to them. What I'm saying is your past does not equal who you are going to be in the future. What I am telling you is that anyone, absolutely anyone with the right psychology and the right strategy can achieve an absolute unbelievable life. So what I have developed is a program, a journey, a methodology, so to speak, that can show you how you can turn your conscious mind and your subconscious mind in the same direction, how you can synchronize them. Neurosynchronology is about that synchronization of your conscious and your subconscious mind, creating the superconscious mind that, most people call the zone. I'm here to tell you that, guys, this is not just about setting the what, why, and the how. This is about understanding who you really are and what's holding you back from truly achieving what you want out of life.